My name is Raymond Timbri, Bijiku Darul, Wandri and Darul Duraga, Yamantang Manera. Gadhungal Murring is a business that is created off the back of years of learning our culture. So Babaguli Murru Tour focuses on those teachings. We go through the track, we walk through the bush, and we open up the eyes to the bush tucker, the medicines, to all of those natural things that are living out there.
So the thing I love about the Shoalhaven is this is my country. Wandrian is the country of my mother, my grandmother, my great-grandmother. We have a strong matriarch line leading down to me, and so the idea of that connection to country is very present. I'd like to give a big shout out to my brother Matty Sims running Durabawagra, one of our other cultural companies that we run parallel, working together in our community, strengthening up our community and our young ones.
With Gadhungal Murring, we don't just focus on our own people. It's inclusive. We share story to everybody because we all share this beautiful country, and that's what it's about. It's about coming together. We acknowledge our elders before us, we acknowledge the elders that sit there now, and we always open up space to learn, to invite them into our place and to sort of sit, listen, but then most importantly to be that, passing on a message. So we learn from them so we can share the next generation, and we bridge that gap by creating those safe places. And through Gadhungal Murring, we teach our practices, our protocols, our traditions, our beliefs, but then most importantly, it all comes back to looking after our mother and caring for country, and that's what we specialise in.